How was Grand Central's celestial ceiling painted? Imagine standing beneath a sky filled with shimmering stars and glowing constellations right in the heart of New York City. The ceiling in Grand Central Terminal's main concourse is one of the most stunning sights you can see. But how did they create such a detailed and beautiful celestial scene? Well, it all started with a team of talented artists. Paul Cesar Helou and Charles Basing carefully picked a special shade of blue called cerulean blue oil paint to mimic the sky. They spent months mixing and preparing this color to get just the right tone. Once they had the perfect blue, about 50 assistants worked together to cover the entire ceiling with it. They worked quickly and evenly to make sure the background was smooth and consistent. The constellation figures were based on medieval star charts, and they consulted with Dr. Harold Jacobi, a Columbia University astronomy professor, to make sure the stars and shapes were accurate. The original mural was painted directly onto the ceiling's plaster surface. It was a large-scale effort, covering about 275 feet long and 1 to 5 feet high. The artists used oil paints because they allowed for rich colors and fine details. Later, the ceiling was covered with large fiberboard tiles, each about 8 feet by 4 feet, which held the gold-leafed images of stars and constellations. These included around 2,500 stars, with 60 of them illuminated, plus thousands of tiny gold dabs to representing the Milky Way. Over time, water damage and grime caused the mural to deteriorate. In the 1940s, instead of restoring the original, they installed asbestos and cement boards over it and painted a reproduction of the ceiling on these new surfaces. This version also suffered from soot and smoke damage. In the 1990s, a major restoration took place. Experts used a special pH-neutral cleaning solution and soft cotton towels to carefully remove dirt and grime. The process took about 6 months, with conservators working meticulously to bring back the ceiling's original beauty. Interestingly, the star map was painted backward because the original chart was projected from below, flipping the image. This mistake adds to the ceiling's charm and history. So, in short, the celestial ceiling was painted with oil paints on a plaster surface, depicting zodiac constellations in gold leaf on a blue background. Later, it was reproduced on fiberboard tiles, and extensive restoration efforts have kept it shining bright for visitors to enjoy today.